Hi, kumusta? Welcome to my first vlog. In this video, I'll be making dark chocolate and red velvet cookies using just one dough. Kung mapapansin nyo, I pre-measured all of the ingredients bago simulan ng video na ito because it makes the process much easier. After you've combined the flour and other dry ingredients, make sure na haluin silang maigi. Actually, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, it took me about 5 to 6 hours to make these cookies. Ganun siya kahirap at katrabaho para sa akin. To give you some background, nag-start ako mag-aral mag-bake noong March o April ngayong taon. So almost 3 months na din pala. I learned how to bake and I'm still learning by watching YouTube videos. Pero I also have some plans on taking some baking classes para mas mapalawak yung knowledge ko sa pagbe-bake. Siya nga pala, when making cookies, I prefer to brown my butter. I'm not a professional baker, but I've noticed that it's much easier to mix the white and brown sugar and eggs kapag nasa liquid state ang inyong butter. And mas madaling ma-achieve ang caramel-like consistency. Makikita niyo yung sinasabi kong consistency maya-maya. I'm adding the eggs 1 or 2 at a time to ensure na mahalo ko silang maigi. As you can see, medyo lumalapot na or nagiging thick na yung butter and sugars natin. Pagpatuloy lang natin ng paghahalo hanggang sa maging ganyan. Madali lang yung recipe na to. No need for heavy equipments. Then let's add some vanilla. Not sponsored. Pero if ever na makita nila, baka naman. And let's add some cocoa, around 20 grams. Based on my understanding, cocoa gives a strong chocolate flavor to our cookies. Next, it's time to add our mixed dry ingredients, yung ating mga flours, salts, at mga not so secret ingredients. When adding your dry ingredients, mas okay na gawin ito ng paunti-unti. Lalo na kapag medyo maliit yung bowl na gamit. Para hindi matapon yung flour at para mas madaling haluin. In other baking tutorials, they recommend not to overmix the dough. But in this recipe, try to not overmix pa din. But don't be afraid to mix your dough. Hanggang sa wala ka nang makitang spot ng white ng flour. After mixing, I'll now divide my dough into 2 portions. One portion is for the dark chocolate and the other for the red velvet. Napaka-flexible talaga ng recipe na to, because I can create 2 cookies using just one dough. Now, let's start by making the dark chocolate cookies. Obviously, need mo ng dark chocolate chips dito. I forgot kung ilang percent ng dark chocolate yung gamit ko, pero much better to use darker chocolates, because studies shows that dark chocolate is good for the heart. Diba? Next, our red velvet cookies. I'll need to add the red food coloring first to give them that classic red velvet look. Actually, yung secret ingredient sa red velvet ay yung food coloring niya. For this type of cookie, we'll need not only dark chocolate chips but also white chocolates. Yan, red na yung color. Katamtamang halo lang. No need panggigilan. Now, it's time to put these doughs in the freezer. I highly recommend na i-freezer yung dough sa loob ng 24 to 48 hours just to enhance yung flavor at mag-solidify yung dough. Purpose nun is para kapag binake, hindi todo yung pag-i-spread ng cookies natin. After may labas sa freezer, hulmayin na natin isa-isa yung dough. Around 180 to 195 grams yung weight kada isang cookies na gagawin ko. Yung original weight nung cookie, 180 grams lang. But because of the fillings, nadagdagan yung weight. Usually, I mold the cookies before putting them into the fridge. Kaso, nung ginawa ko yung recipe na to, I forgot to prepare the dark chocolate and cream cheese fillings. So I put the dough in the fridge before molding them. Medyo nahirapan akong i-mold yung cookies dahil matigas-tigas pa. Hindi ko na sinama sa video kung paano gawin yung dark chocolate filling saka yung cream cheese para hindi ganun kahaba yung video. Kung anong procedure yung ginawa sa first flavor, ganun din sa second flavor ng cookie. Ayan, mold. put yung filling, then mold ulit. After kung mamold yung cookies, freezer ko ulit. Dahil nakalimutan kong gawin yung mga palaman. If you will try to follow this recipe, try making first yung fillings para sabay-sabay ng ma-freezer. Sa ngayon, 2 cookies muna ang ating i-bake. 1 dark choco and 1 red velvet. Ayan. Malaki yan pag binake. Palm size. At ito na ang aking secret ingredient. Salt. Now it's time to bake the cookies. Around 13 to 15 minutes, 200 to 230 degrees Celsius. Tapos na natin silang i-bake. After baking the cookies, let them cool for a while. Siguro 15 to 20 minutes. Okay na. Ang purpose nito, syempre para hindi ka mapasok. Saka tumigas yung cookies. Now, I'll show you guys kung gaano ka-gooey and chewy yung inside. Here we go. Let's see sa red velvet. Grabe.